Lost for decades beneath the ocean, a forgotten giant of World War II lies in silence. Once a symbol of power, now a relic claimed by the sea. Time, pressure, and salt water have transformed steel into decay. Its size alone tells the story of an era of total war. Modern technology finally reveals what history lost. Deep-sea exploration uncovers scars left by conflict. Weapons remain where they last stood, locked in time. Innovation of its era now rests in ruin. Inside, the heart of the carrier lies buried. This is more than a shipwreck, a dang. It is a battlefield. Recovery begins with precision and respect. Every lift risks collapse after decades underwater. The ocean releases its grip reluctantly. Steel that once ruled the seas rises again. For the first time in generations, history sees daylight. Each piece tells a silent story. Clues help identify the ship's final moments.
Even the planes never made it home.
On land, analysis replaces mystery. Salt water weakens even the strongest armor.
Engineers rebuild systems to understand how it once moved.
History is pieced together, fragment by fragment. Restoration honors function, not fantasy. Decay gives way to preservation.
The ship begins to take shape once more.
Where aircraft once launched into battle.
Symbols of service return.
This is not just machinery, Kel. It is memory.
Lives were lived and lost here. Time moves forward, but history remains.
The carrier stands again, not to fight, but to teach.